This is crazy.
Yeah, this is
We're in the meat box.
This is like steam coming out of your mouth.
Here on board the Independence of the Seas for our final sea day here on board. I'm here with Mr. Peter this morning. Good morning, Peter.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Good. He's got his coffee over there, so I imagine he is quite well. Yes. He's headed down this morning and already grabbed us a few pastries. So here is the that chocolate one that we had yesterday morning in Cozumel. It was really, really good. Now there's also a chocolate donut there. And what was this one?
An apple Danish. It's super, super good.
Apple Danish right there on the left. So he had 3 and I have 3. Those are my 3. I still gotta eat my 3. But we wanted to hop on here and get you guys rolling. This morning, right now, we're about to head down and have a behind-the-scenes ship tour. Royal Caribbean set that up for us. We're going to be joining the group that normally, I guess, is what we're doing. Like the group that you can normally book it as like a shore excursion. We're going to be joining them. And we're heading behind the scenes and going to see all the inner workings of the ship, the galley, the bridge, the engine room, behind the stage, a whole lot of other fun stuff. Unfortunately, we won't be able to bring you guys on most of that because then there would be no point in you booking the tour. But she did say that we could possibly film in like the galley and maybe one other place. So we'll definitely bring you back there just so you can get a little snippet of what it's like behind the scenes here on board the Independence of the Seas. Now after that, we're going to probably head up and have our last lunch here on board. The lasts have started. They have started, Peter, unfortunately. I know, I feel like we just had the first, but now we're having the lasts. We'll have our last lunch, and then the belly flop competition's coming up at 12:30. Something around 12:30. And then after that, Peter has got to conquer the flow rider today.
Oh,
so, he thought I forgot about it. I did not forget about it. So Peter is going to conquer the flow rider today. I'm probably going to get back on the flow rider too today. And we're going to do the water slides and a bunch of other fun stuff. We may have an interview with the cruise director, Dan, this afternoon. It was supposed to be this morning, but then they did the whole ship tour thing, so that kind of overran that. So if we're not able to do that, we'll just have to say ciao to that for this time. But we're getting a behind the scenes ship tour, so that's still fun in any event. And then tonight we have our dinner, Showtime Greece. We have late night comedy, so it is going to be an 80s party out here in the Royal Promenade. We have got a super fun packed day today, so make sure if you haven't already, you hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell so you don't miss a second of it. We're heading down right now. It's time to go behind the scenes of the Independence of the Seas. This is like a staple in Royal Caribbean right here. Henry the vacuum.
It's so cute with his nose.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Good morning.
Nice to see you. Good morning.
Thank you for setting this up. We're so excited. All right, are you ready? I don't think you're gonna be able to bring that. You gotta hurry up and finish that. Yes, we're going behind the scenes of the ship, I-95.
I'm excited.
They said we are gonna be able to take you guys in the galley, so I'll be able to show you some of the galley, the kitchen where they make the delicious food that they serve here on board the Independence of the Seas. It's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Do we keep these?
No, I don't think so. Maybe.
Look, it's got our names on it.
Then I guess, yeah.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, because it's got a luggage tag too.
This is a nice little...
That is a nice little gift here.
Yeah.
Do we keep these or no?
Yeah, it's yours.
Oh, nice. That is awesome.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So cool.
All access. So this is a really, really cool excursion. I've actually had the opportunity to do it on board the Carnival Breeze. And basically, like I said, you go behind the scenes. You get to see all the stuff that normal passengers, normal everyday, you know, life here on board the ship, they never see. So you do got to book this. You can book it at the shore excursions desk. Pretty much every cruise ship offers it. Even the smaller, like Thompson Cruise Lines, which is you know, a subsidiary. They offer it as well. So you got to book it whenever you get on board, but book it early because it does always sell out. Because it's an amazing view, behind the scenes, stuff that you'll never see as a regular passenger.
everybody, you can see as a 20 is a crowd already here. You can imagine in the evening, 30 waiters, 30 assistant waiters, no, 35 waiters, 35 assistant waiters, and most of the people who wants to come in and out of this galley. I have 20 chefs plus my 10 kitchen stewards and other people who roam around, wandering people, vagabonds. You can imagine 30 people, 100, almost 100 people wants to walk in and out. What we have done for everybody is your waiter, assistant waiters, they do the same path we are going to do now. So if he forgets the soup, it is right in the corner here, he can't go there from here. We go to follow the same path what I'm going to show you. So come on in. As I said, be careful when you as you come inside. You see the outer space is much more broader and much more spacious. When you come inside here, the galley, all the spaces what we need more are the one we use already for ourselves. Like the equipments, like the fridges, walk-in coolers and all these things we use the space. The left-out space is too small or getting narrower and narrower when you go inside. That's why we use one way in and one way out. That's a good way to have it to everybody so no have clashes between this area where there is the most commotion going on. So when you come inside, you can see the waiter, assistant waiters, everybody wash their hands before they enter inside the galley. This side, that side, there is a wash. There's a washing thing here, and all over the areas there are washing things where they can wash their things. What happens when you come? The most of the thing, when we call in the Windjammer, we say wash your hands, nobody wants to listen. But when you put in your music, washing, then everybody gets it. Especially the kids, they do it fast. When they listen to the music, they say washing, their hands turn to the washing and hand washing automatically. That's it. When you come inside here, the traffic submission of Royal Caribbean is very, very important. We take it very serious. When we go inside, we check that the people don't throw paper inside the food waste. Because it's very important, because when the food waste go down, it chokes up all the waste which is going from here down straight to the incinerator. So when food waste, what is the yellow one is for the food waste. Any food waste from your table, my table, anywhere it's not coming, I don't use it, I need to throw it out, I throw it inside here. And from here it goes to the chute, it's like a vacuum pump, it's then pulled down to the incinerator. From there, the environmental officer take care of it.
Very good. Wow.
Anybody allergic to shrimps? Come on, we got from this side. Anybody allergic to shrimps?
No.
No? Everybody eats shrimps?
Yes.
That's good. You see, if everybody eats one shrimps, we have 4,500, almost 4,500 guests on board. And everybody eats one shrimp. The poor guy has to make that much of shrimps. Now, he is making shrimps from the day to up in the afternoon, and afternoon when he come back again, take a break and come back again, he's still doing shrimp cocktails. Because if you say 4,500 guests eating one shrimp cocktail, that much shrimp cocktails have to be made. If you don't start in the morning, he has nothing to be made, and he can't make, this is what not, you can make in 1 minute. There's a shrimp boy, he doesn't get any sweet drinks, he got only shrimp drinks. Yes, sir.
Oh wow. Yeah, it does.
Hello, good morning.
Hello. Doing.
This is the bakery shop here. You can see this is the silver scale is in charge for the baker. And 24/7 operational, 24/7 operational. Whatever bread you see in any part of the ship, anywhere you see the bread, all the things, all the breads are made here on board. You can see all this. Anything, any part of the world, any bread you see, even the sandwiches bread are made here. You can imagine if you eat only one sandwich on a promenade, it's 4,000 sandwiches. Toronto's are there 6 kind of sandwiches.
Is that pizza?
I don't know, I guess so.
Wow.
And there's one chicken laying egg. Yeah, only one chicken will lay all the eggs. The thing is, I want to take you all down there, but she said a notice board said, do not disturb working for tomorrow. So, any questions or queries to ask? Okay. Before I...
It was. It's cold in here. Carrots. My God.
Just want a carrot? It was just bags.
This is crazy.
Yeah,
we're in the meat box.
This is like steam coming out of your mouth.
So this is all the. Well, I don't know. I don't know. This is all the meat, but this is some of the meat here. The butcher's choice. What is this? Raw chorizo link mini. Huh. That is awesome. So awesome. Okay, back to work. Wow, you guys, we just finished our, oh, I need to stretch. Oh, my back. I've been standing so long. We just finished our behind the scenes tour. That was awesome, wasn't it?
That was really cool.
So cool. We visited, where did we go? The galley, the I-95, the storage, the laundry facilities, the engine room, yeah, I said that, the refrigerators, and the bridge. It was awesome.
It was cool.
So cool. I definitely recommend that you book that on your next cruise. Definitely get the behind the scenes tour, and if you're here on the Independence, you got to do it because it was just so cool. We grabbed some, some video where we were allowed to, and some photos as well. They told us that we could take plenty of photos, just videos was restricted on the bridge and the engine room and that kind of thing. So with that being said, I think we're gonna go get some lunch, our final lunch here on board the Independence of the Seas. Let's go see what they got going on. Everybody's out getting those last minute sun opportunities. Love it. Yeah, you do. You gotta change out your towel here. Oh, look at it. Beautiful. We're gonna get out here in just a little bit after we eat, but we definitely wanna grab some food first. Oh my gosh, I got water on the lens.
Oh.
Thank you for cruising from Windjammer team and culinary team. Aww.
So nice.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
How awesome. There's Giovanni's table. Huh. It's nice in there.
Yeah.
Let's see what they got yummy here on the buffet today. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that roasted chicken, roasted pork, beef brisket. Are you kidding me? Wow. Oh my gosh. I am shocked.
Yeah.
That is some yummy food.
Yeah.
Dang. Okay, let's get a plate. I am starving. We have the most perfect view for lunch today. Look at this. We've chosen right back here at the very back of the ship, just watching the wake go by. Peter, what you got yummy over there? Is that pizza?
Yeah.
Where did you get pizza?
Right at the American station.
Really?
It's good. It's like
Is it like Sorrento's?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. It's a lot of
That's
Italian food I got today.
You really do. You got pasta and meatballs. And
This is a blackened tilapia.
I got some of that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I kind of wanted to get a little bit.
A little bit of everything Italian.
Mostly
over there.
Italian, but...
I'm about to say there's not one vegetable on your plate there.
That's a cauliflower.
Oh, look at you!
That's a cauliflower with cheese.
Nice.
Yeah.
So I think they're trying to do like healthy mac and cheese then, huh?
Right, exactly. Exactly.
Here's my plate over here. So we've got a little bit of everything, quite literally over here. Got some root vegetables, some potatoes. the meatballs with pasta, the blackened tilapia there. Then we have some, I don't remember, just baked chicken or
Baked, I think.
I think it was baked chicken. There's some beef brisket, which looks awesome, as well as some roasted pork there. And then of course some carrots and broccoli right there in the center for you. So looks to be a fabulous last lunch here on board. After this, I think we're gonna go down and get our bathing suits on. It's time for
What? And the flow rider.
the flow ride. That's right. Next time, look like they have boogie boarding today. Thought I'd share my birthday cake with you. May the force be with you. We wish you tons of luck. To the perfect storm now, I guess. Dan, the cruise director. Very, very, very different on this ship.